Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Some iPhone users are experiencing overheating issue after iOS 17 update. In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem if that includes you. Solution 1. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Solution 2. Stop resources hungry apps. Another way to fix overheating issue on iPhone is to stop resources hungry apps. You can do this by double tapping the home button and then swiping up on the app preview to close it. Additionally, go to Settings app. Find and tap on battery. If you see an app that uses a lot of battery, you can disable or uninstall it to help reduce and improve your battery life. Solution 3. Disable Raise to Wake. To do this, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Now find and tap on Display and Brightness. Scroll down and turn off Raise to Wake. Solution 4. Turn off Background App Refresh. Turning off Background App Refresh is also an effective way to fix overheating issue on your iPhone. For that, navigate to Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Then select Off. Solution 5. Install pending updates. To update, head over to the Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 6. Reset all settings. Doing this will not delete all your iPhone data, but it will reset all of your preferences and settings. To do this, go to Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset All Settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. From the pop-up, select Reset All Settings. Again, select Reset All Settings to confirm this process. Solution 7. Reset your iPhone. To reset, open Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Once the reset is done, you can set up your iPhone with your Apple ID and start using it. Hopefully, the overheating issue should be resolved. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.